He told you that?
Yeah, I mean, with his eyes.
With his eyes?
Yeah.
He can't stay home.
Why?
None of our things will be safe. He ate my last PlayStation.
He knows how to get your attention. What?
Jenny said I'm sorry.
For what?
Mom. Hey.
Hey, Timmy. Oh, it's so good to see you.
Yeah, I thought you were staying with Jenny.
I was, but she was worried that you'd feel left out because I never stayed with you.
Yeah.
That was so sweet.
Yeah, sure.
Anyway, she's so wonderful.
Mom.
Hi.
Hi. Who are you?